Hello everyone, I welcome you to understand chapter number 1 Where to Look From of grade 3. I will teach this chapter in two parts. In this part, I will be explaining you that how you can look at different things from different sides and they appear different. And we will also learn that how we can draw patterns and designs with the help of the dot grids. So let's get started. Here, there was a teacher who told her students to draw a picture of a car. All drew the car differently. Next day, they were showing their picture to each other and all were excited. But the boy named Anshul started laughing looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. You can see Dheeraj's drawing of a car here. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Yes, it is appearing like that only when we put a small box upon a bigger one, then it appear like this. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. You can see Anshul's drawing here. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings look different. Why the drawings look different? Because Dheeraj saw the car from the terrace and Anshul saw the car from the side. So here it is asked, do you think his funny drawing is right? So yes, his funny drawing is right because if we see the car from the top or from the terrace, it appears like this only. Now it is asked, have you looked at the things from the different sides? Do they look the same or different? You may have seen bed, table, bench from different sides, from the top or from the side. Do they look same or different? Yes, they look different. Look at the picture drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? So two pictures are given of the table. So you can easily tell that the first picture is when we see the table from the side. And the second picture is that when we see the table from the top. Now, some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things look if seen from the top. So if you see pressure cooker, sleeper, fruit or table from the top, will they look like this? It is asked. So yes, it will look like the figure given below. So our answer will be yes. Okay. Practice time. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? So the teacher is standing in front of a student. So you can easily find out where the teacher is. Right? Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. If you want to look the staircase this way, you have to see it from the side. In the second figure, you have to see it from the front. In the case of table, you have to see it from the top. In the case of chair, you have to see it from the side. In the case of the pencil, it is unsharpened pencil. So you have to see it from the front. And in the case of purse, you have to see it from the side. Draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. So you can draw top views of bed, bench, table or water bottle and ask your family members to guess it. Okay? Now Rangoli. Have you ever made a Rangoli? Then our answer will be yes, we make Rangoli in Diwali. Here he is saying, my friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. Now, what Meenakshi is saying, I'm Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make rangoli every morning. They are made by using dots. So you can see she is making beautiful patterns. Now, in Tamil Nadu, what they do, they first of all put the dots. And by joining the dots, they make beautiful floor patterns. Okay? You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two examples have been drawn here. Two examples are given for your reference. In the dot grid, you can draw the designs and patterns of your own choice. Make other patterns yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. You have to copy these patterns in the dot grids given below. And what you have to say, which lines are straight and which lines are not. In the first figure, all lines are straight. In the second figure, some lines are straight and some lines are not. In third figure, all lines are not straight. In the case of flower, all lines are not straight. In the case of zigzag pattern, all lines are straight. And in the last pattern, all lines are not straight. Okay. Now use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. So you can use the dot grid and draw your own designs, whatever you want to draw. Okay, so I can give you examples. You can draw the shapes like this, or you can draw and patterns like this in the form of alphabets, right? Now complete these figures to make square and rectangle. So you can complete this figure with the help of dot, and you have to make squares and rectangles. If you will complete this, then it will appear like this. Okay. Now on the dot grid given below, draw the following: a kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star, and a pot. So you have to join the dots and draw kite, leaf, flower, boat, star, and a pot. It will appear like this: kite, leaf, flower, boat, star, and pot. Okay, I hope you have understand this part. Now in the next part, I will be explaining you the symmetrical patterns or mirror images. Thank you.